Hello, my friends. How are you? I think you're all great by the grace of Almighty Allah. And I'm Mahmud Shamim, and I'm fine also. Today, I'm going to tell you is all about. You can see, my friend, is all about the difference between small and little. Okay, little. So, my friends, you know, uh, or you are already introduced with these two words, okay, small and little. And uh, if you know the correct meanings, and if you know the proper uses of these two words, that means small and little, I think you can feel free to use daily conversations and making any kind of sentences, okay, uh, using small and little. Okay, so my friends, let's see, okay, small and little. Okay, so we should know first, okay, the little bit informations about small and little. Okay, so small and little, okay, are two words that are often confused with as they mean the same. This lesson clears out all the confusions, okay, and helps you to use these two words correctly. Okay, so I have mentioned here some sentences, important sentences regarding small and little, okay, so that you can understand better. Okay, so my friends, let's see. Okay, I would like to tell about first small. Okay, small means what? Small is used to talk about height or size. Height or size. Okay, so here I have mentioned height or size. Okay, means small, and small means the meanings. Okay, small means height or size. Okay, my friends, let's begin, and we will try to understand from some sentences, okay, about size and height. So number one, you can see Jack is small for his age. Okay, Jack is small for his age. It means what? It means he is not, or he isn't tall enough. Okay, he is tall enough for his age. Okay, so this sentence means his size or his age. His age. Okay, his age. So Jack is small for his age. Here it means he isn't tall enough. Okay, he is not tall enough for his age. So I think you got my point, my friends. Okay, next sentence. The table is the table. Okay, the table is so small. The table is so small. So here it means what? It's describing the size of the table. Okay, it means the table size. Okay, small is used here uh, for the size of the table. Next sentence. It's a very small window. The same meaning. Okay, it's describing the size of the window. Okay, so my friends, here I have mentioned three sentences, and three sentences meaning height or size. Okay, I have written for you understanding height or size. This sentence means. Okay, so in another concept, or we can use small. Okay, small is used with countable nouns. Okay, so first of all, we should all know about countable nouns. Countable nouns that we can count. Okay, we can count, that we call countable nouns. So here you can see, could I have a small cake, please? I repeat this sentence. Could I have a small cake, please? Cake. You can count cake. Okay, that's why cake is a countable noun. And before we use small. Okay, his small here is an adjective, and you can say that adjective means was. Adjective means what. Okay, I have already told you a little bit. Okay, and I think for details I have discussed, okay, details of adjective later. Okay, so small here, adjective small. Okay, adjective is small, and cake noun, and cake is a countable noun. Next one, a small number of people came to work. Number of people, okay, countable noun. You can count one by one. Okay, so this is countable noun, and here we use before small. So small is used for countable nouns. Okay, used with countable nouns. Remember it. Number 3, there are small 3 rooms upstairs. So 3 rooms you can count, countable noun. It's also countable noun, and small 3 rooms, that means small is used with countable nouns. Okay, so I think, my friends, here 3 sentences I have mentioned. Okay, and these 3 sentences are used with countable nouns, and we use small in these 3 sentences with countable nouns. Okay, my friends, so you got my idea, and I think you got understood properly. Okay, so next. So my friends, next here you can see small is also used as degree of adjective. Means what? Means positive, comparative, and superlative. So positive, comparative, and superlative means what? So I will discuss later about degrees of adjective. So here, for short understanding, and little bit understanding, I have mentioned here good, positive form or positive degree. Okay, and better, comparative form. Okay, and best, superlative form. Okay, so here we discuss about small. So small is a positive form or positive degree. Okay, and comparative form smaller, and superlative form smallest. Okay, so let's see on sentences. Okay, in sentences, she is smaller than Biva. Smaller is a comparative form. Okay, so next, she is the smallest girl in the class. So smallest, superlative form. Okay, so superlative form, smallest. Number 3, she is a small girl. Small, not change small here. So small is a positive degree or positive form. So my friends, I think you got the idea what am I trying to say about small, and later I will discuss little or little. Okay, so my friends, before we begin, okay, little, we have to know the little meanings. what? Little is used with uncountable nouns. Okay, uncountable nouns. So let's get started. Okay, number one, for example, number one, I need a little rice. I need a little rice. Rice, uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns means what? Uncountable noun means you cannot count. Okay, so the rice you cannot count. It's impossible to count for one. So little here is an adjective, or we can say the positive form, little or little. So little rice. Okay, so I think my friend you could understand properly. And next sentence, little rice, little money, but you can count money, but regarding lots of money, it's impossible to count. But little, we can say that also countable nouns. Okay, so little can be little with countable nouns could be used. Okay, and the next sentence, he had a little sugar. He had a little sugar. Okay, sugar, uncountable nouns. Okay, uncountable nouns. It's impossible for one to count sugar. Sugar. Okay, sugar. So correct pronunciation is sugar. So little sugar also means uncountable nouns. So little is used also the kind of emotions. Kind of emotions, that means what? Okay, so let's see in sentences. Okay, its reflections regarding kind of emotions, some emotions. Okay, I have a little experience. I have a little experience. I have a little experience, okay, in teaching English. In teaching English. Little experience. Okay, little experience. I think experience is noun, and you cannot count. You just imagine. Okay, you just imagine, nothing else. Okay, you just imagine experience. We can say that just like some kinds of emotions are, you will just think about experience. Okay, not you cannot touch or you cannot count. So that's why we call it kind of emotions. Okay, experience. Okay, so next sentence for your understanding, Jack had a little trouble with his bike. Little trouble with his bike. Little trouble. Okay, this is uncountable, and we can say that one kind of imaginable word. Okay, you cannot touch, you cannot count. That's why I have already told you kind of emotions. Regarding kind of emotions, little is used. Okay. But my friends, note that one thing I would like to tell you. There were no comparative or superlative, okay, forms of little. There are no comparative or superlative forms, okay, of little. Little little, okay, comparative or superlative. There were no, okay, there were no comparative or superlative forms of little or little, okay. Little it is British pronunciation and little American pronunciation, okay. So little, actually there were no forms of little for comparative and superlative. That's why I'm telling you there were no comparative or superlative forms of little, okay. Okay, my friends, that's all for today, okay. I have tried to give you some informations regarding small and little, and what the meanings should be, and where and how you can use small and little, and what the differences, okay, I have discussed today. Okay, my friend, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that when I will upload for you new videos, you can see. And I'd like to tell you one thing. If you have any query, or if you have any comments, please write in the comment box, and feel free to write anything regarding my videos. When I will see, and I will try to give you the reply, okay. Till then, my friend, bye bye, take care.